Hello everyone! It's lunchtime again. For today, we will eat pork chop. This one.
That's right.
Fried pork. And mine is already sliced, but
Yeah, I
it's the
forgot
same.
to That's right.
We have sauce. It's Mang Tomas. That's it, guys. So, these are pork chop. It's the same with tonkatsu. So, Filipino version. Pork chop.
Oh, there's different kind of pork. So, in what's it called? Dinalab.
Dinalot. Ano dinalot?
Yeah, it's there with fried rice. You know, with egg. It's a pork chilo. Right? So it's also pork chop. Sinangag. No.
With egg.
Yeah, it's all with egg.
That's when.
So actually other people, they have like, the pickled papaya.
Because, yeah.
Achara. So, yeah. Down to, this is, actually, toyo calamansi.
Yeah. The one also. And this one is like the fried chicken, the same procedure. But it's pork.
Pork is really popular. So crispy though. So I need my...
This is perfect for
What?
breakfast or lunch. And it is good when you have some soup.
Yeah.
Because it's dry.
It's rice or pair with some soup.
And it's so not really hard to chew.
Yeah, it's crispy but yeah.
And pair with Mang Tomas. Mang Tomas is a kind of sauce that is sweet. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Bye.